Vivo has officially unveiled the S30 series in China, introducing two new smartphones, the standard Vivo S30 and the compact S30 Pro Mini. The phones are fairly similar in design, a third camera on the side, sitting above a ring LED flash. The Vivo S30 will be available in 4 colors: black mint, green, powder pink and lemon yellow. The Vivo S30 may sport a larger 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS OLED screen and run on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip. A 50-megapixel triple rear camera system featuring the Sony IMX882 periscope sensor. It is also tipped to include a 6,500 mAh battery with the same 90W fast charging support. The Vivo S series is usually only for China. The Vivo S30 Pro Mini could be rebranded as the Vivo X200 FE in markets outside of China. The Vivo S30 will be Vivo V60 branding. The Vivo S30 is priced at 2,699 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.